This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Drive belt replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards and place the hood prop into the hole on the hood. Loosen the negative cable clamp nut, then disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery and secure it out of the way to prevent accidental reconnection. Using a trim tool, remove the engine cover mounting clips, then lift the cover up and off of the engine. Using a 3/8-inch breaker bar or ratchet, insert the square drive of the ratchet into the drive belt tensioner. Rotate the tensioner clockwise to relieve the tension on the belt, then slip the belt off of an alternator pulley. Once the belt is loose, allow the tensioner to slowly come to rest at its stopping point. Remove the 3/8-inch breaker bar or ratchet and the belt from the remaining auxiliary components. Route the new belt loosely over the various pulleys. Rotate the tensioner to allow the belt to be installed. Slowly release the belt tensioner when the belt is fitted onto all the pulleys. Make sure the belt fits properly into all the pulley grooves. It must be completely engaged. Connect the cable to the negative terminal of the battery, then tighten the cable clamp nut securely. Place the engine cover onto the engine and align the fastener openings, then install the fasteners.